Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic options for anyone in need of quick and efficient ice production: the Antarctic Star and the COWSAR Ice Makers. Both machines can produce 8 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them perfect for parties, camping, or everyday use. But how do they stack up against each other in terms of price, portability, and features? Let's find out. The Antarctic Star is priced at $69.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for an efficient ice maker. In contrast, the COWSAR comes in at $109.99, which is $40 more expensive. While the COWSAR offers additional features, the price difference may be a deciding factor for many consumers. When it comes to portability, the Antarctic Star weighs 12.7 pounds, while the COWSAR is lighter at 10.75 pounds. This difference in weight can make the COWSAR a more attractive option for those who plan to travel with their ice maker, as it is easier to carry around. Another important factor to consider is the voltage. The Antarctic Star operates at an unusual 28 volts, which may raise compatibility concerns in standard households. On the other hand, the COWSAR operates at a standard 110 volts, ensuring it can be easily plugged in and used anywhere without worries. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and COWSAR ice makers offer impressive features and quick ice production. The Antarctic Star is a more budget-friendly option, while the COWSAR provides a lightweight design and standard voltage operation. Depending on your needs, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen or travel gear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.